Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked, charged above 20%, and running the latest Motorola Edge 40 updates. Once ready, open Settings and go directly to Security and Privacy. This is where Secure Folder lives. You're not installing anything yet, just enabling a protected space. Tap Secure Folder and choose your account. You'll be asked to sign into your Google or Motorola account. This initial step creates the encrypted container that keeps apps and files private. Once the folder exists, configure how you'll access it. You select a lock method, PIN, pattern, password, or biometric, and confirm it. This secures everything inside. Next, add what matters. Tap Add Apps to move selected apps or add files to import photos and documents. Make sure to enable backup or recovery options so you don't lose access. Also set the auto lock timer. Shorter timers are more secure, while longer ones are more convenient. This middle step defines both security and usability. To finish, test the folder. Lock and unlock it several times to confirm your method works across apps. Once done, move any remaining sensitive files in and verify backups are running so you can restore if needed. If something goes wrong, first restart the phone and try again. If syncing or authentication fails, re-enter account credentials and reset the secure folder lock. If you still can't access it, use the recovery option you configured or contact Motorola support for account-linked issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.